Hello, my name is Jesse. I just had a new unit, furnace AC installed in my property. Orion from Savecal came down, told me what was going to happen. We agreed on a price and sent down the project manager, Joe, and the installers to come see the work that was going to be done. From day one, I was happy. Orion explained what he needed to do. Joe took over after the project started. He was very helpful, great. Was here throughout the whole 4 days of the project, from demolition to installation to finished product. The crew that installed the system was very professional, very clean, good at what they did, went above and beyond that they had to do work, was there answering my questions. I can be a pain. I can be a pain asking questions, but they were there. They never hesitated. Joe was the same way. I was asking him questions. He was there with the answers. If he didn't have an answer, he'd get back to me less than 24 hours. The project was completed. Inspection came from my city of Lakewood. Inspection cleared with no problem. As you can see, I'm standing next to the unit. The other one was probably not even half the size of this, and so far so good. Have nothing to complain about so far. Savecal was delivered what they say they were going to deliver, and if you want to call them, give Savecal a call, and they do roofs, ACs, units, windows, solar. So my next project, I'll be calling Savecal. Thank you.